Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, this is the emergency update of Anchor coin, so never miss this update. And if you miss, so there is a chance that you will lose a lot of money. And if you watch this video, so absolutely, maybe there is a chance that you will get a good amount of profit from the Anchor coin. So keep watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So first of all, in this video we discuss the latest price update of the Ankr coin, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move coming soon in the Ankr coin, my friends. Keep watch this video, my friends. At this time the price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.094481 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Ankr at this time, my friends. That is the latest update, live update you're watching now on the screen. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurs in the Anchor coin, so the price change is also going very positive, my friends. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, the both changes at this time is going positive and very highly positive, my friends, as compared to another coin. At this time, the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, this coin is completely fast down in this time, but Anchor coin start moving upward. It's a profit time of Anchor coin, my friends. Let's see the price chart. You can see, my friends, that is the last 3 days price chart of the Anchor coin, and if you look the price change occur in the last 3 days, so negative 9.35%, the price is falls down. The price is going down negative 9.35%. But my friends, if you look the price chart of the Anchor coin, so that's clear from the price chart of Anchor coin that Anchor coin have a chances in the future to they take a jump. And my prediction is 100% going positive about Anchor coin that they will take a jump, and there is a lot of chances, 90% chances to Anchor coin take a jump in the future, and especially in the next 3 days there is a chance to the price pump. From yesterday the Anchor coin start pumping, and now the pumping time is still continue. As I show you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that means that still Anchor coin is in the jumping mode, my friends. But my friends, on the other side, the last 3 days pricing is negative. So the last 1 week, last 1 month pricing is also negative. For instance, if you decide to sell Anchor coin at this time in the markets, absolutely you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so there is a lot of chance that you will get a profit in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.